welcome to Aldo. If you had been here before, welcome back. If you are new, hello, my name is Aldo and I make sewing, DIY, and style videos. I would really love it if you are going to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Also, don't forget the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. On today's video, I am going to be wearing the yellow trend for a week. So, when I was purging my closet the other day, I realized I have a few yellow items in my closet already. So that's why I decided to do this. I haven't done a video like this for ages. I used to do it a while back. So yeah, so for the first outfit, I decided to wear this yellow dress that I'm wearing today. This is actually a store-bought. I bought this at Walmart for 10 bucks. And I thought it looked super cute. Yeah, they do have cute clothes in Walmart if you just kind of look around. So yeah, I absolutely love it. And the fabric is double brush knit that I absolutely love. I use it all the time in all of my sewing projects. I paired it with this necklace from Forever 21. Yeah, just to give this outfit a contrast because red and yellow goes together as well. A little chilly still. That's why I decided to wear it with tights, and I just wear it with my Tory Burch sandals or my Tory Burch shoes. So the second outfit is this dress right here that I'm wearing. I made this probably 2 months ago. I really like it, and yeah, it is summery and it's super bright. That's why I didn't accessorize a lot, just because the dress is already a statement by itself. I just kind of wear my hat to make it more summery vibes, and for my shoes I just wear these sandals that I got from, I don't know where I got this from, but yeah, but you can find shoes like this like everywhere. The third outfit is this. As you can see, it's just a white dress and I added this yellow belt. So this is a great way if you don't wanna buy or wear a full-blown yellow dress or shirt or whatever. You can always use accessories to kind of wear the trend. Did not wear any necklace or anything like that just because the belt is already a statement and my shoes are super busy. That's why I did not add any more to this dress, just because I like the simpleness of the dress. So this is outfit number 4. I've owned this for ages. I absolutely love it. I like the mustard yellow color, and I just paired it with a nice skirt. So closer look, I just wear this necklace right here. So yeah, I really like this outfit. It's very comfortable. Today is day 5. I'm a little dressy, but I actually like to dress up every Friday just because my family and I will eat out for dinner every Friday. So this is like my chance to dress up a little bit. Yeah, so I really like this dress. It is super cute. It's very comfortable. I love the fabric. It is seersucker, so it is very lightweight. It doesn't make you feel hot. So yeah, I really like it. And for shoes, I decided to wear this white pair of shoes. Yep, I just did that. So anyway, I made this probably like 3 years ago. This is one of my first sewing tutorials that I ever posted on my channel, and this is actually my favorite dress. So today is day 6 and I am just wearing this stretchy skirt that looks like denim, and I paired it with just a sweater because it's just super cozy and it's still a little chilly outside. So that's why I decided to wear this, and I accessorize it with this long chain necklace that has a red detail on it. So I just kind of tuck it in and fold it like this, so it will just show where my waistline is, because if I just let it hang, I will get lost in this sweater. So this is the last outfit. I decided to pair this vintage skirt with this button-down shirt, and then I just kind of wear this layered necklace like that. and I think it looks really cute. So that's it, you guys, and if you made it this far, thank you for staying with me throughout the whole entire video. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so. I post new videos every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. I actually had a really good time doing this just because I love to dress up, and plus I got to showcase some of my older sewing projects like the yellow dresses that I showed you. So if you enjoyed this as well, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you think I should make more of this style videos. All the outfit informations are going to be in the description box down below, so go ahead and check them out. If you like some of the dresses that I showed you, I have 2 dresses that are actually handmade. I'm going to have all the sewing video playlist right here, so you can go ahead and check them out. And yes, I will see you in the next one. Bye!